Oh my dear cup of coffee, start of my day is best with you. Oh my dear warmth in the morning, one sip of you it makes my day brand new. I wanna pour you again and again, I wanna taste the warmth of you. I wanna hold you now until then. If the sky is orange or blue, so I'll lay my head, try to get some rest till I'm sleeping, dreaming of when my machine wasn't broken. Oh my dear cup of coffee, you're a drug, the kind that makes me smart. The memories and lessons that you teach me are timeless treasures found right in my heart. Oh my dear old cup of coffee, it's cool to share different parts of the world with you. I like you best in my cup from London, and though I've never been, it's still a dream I will pursue. Oh, I wanna pour you again and again, I wanna taste the warmth of you. I wanna hold you now until then. If the sky is orange or blue, so I'll lay my head, try to get some rest till I'm sleeping, dreaming of when my machine wasn't broken. Oh my dear cup of coffee, it's getting late, so your time's a bit overdue, but I hope to find you in the morning, despite the fact that I won't have my coffee with me.